Set multiple wallpapers to lock screen. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. Here, tap on your current lock screen wallpaper preview. And you directly jump into your lock screen editing. Here, tap on Wallpapers. Now, I'm selecting Gallery. Now, all you have to need from your gallery, select multiple pictures for your lock screen wallpaper. Then tap on Done. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added 4 items. Now, if you want to add a filter, just go to Filter section and you can go ahead and select a filter for your lock screen wallpaper. Now just tap on Done. And now, let's go to our lock screen. As you can see, I've successfully added multiple photos as my lock screen wallpaper.